Yeah, I wouldn't say this is really off-road, but technically it is. So that means we're finna rip it. And I'm finna show you guys. I'm gonna put my goggles on. Like up here, because I don't have a phone mount right here yet. But trust and believe, once I get that goddamn GoPro, boys, the content. I gotta figure out how to make this so you guys can see. I was thinking something like, what if I think that'll work. This is what it's like off-road. We're gonna hit 30 miles an hour, and then we're gonna stop.